So in this video, I will show you how you can create traffic light indicators in Power BI. I have this table here and I want to create indicators against in project based on the status. So I'll select this and in the columns, I will select project name. I will click on this arrow and go to conditional formatting. Here, I will select icons. Once this comes up, what field should we base this on? We will go select this and from here we will select status, and in the rules I will start populating my rules. So if it is in progress, I'll make it yellow. If it's on hold, you can keep it like this. If it's completed, it can be green. If it's delayed, sorry, delayed, it will be red. If it's on track, we can make it a different kind of green, maybe this. I hope I've covered all. You can also use different rules. You have a lot of rules available here, and you can format your data accordingly. I will click on OK and see what it does. So now you can see I have indicator against the project name based on the status. I hope you like this. Keep watching for more. Thank you.